Welcome to CAD with Mr. Hew. In today's video, we'll be looking at the construction of the Escribed circle. So it involves the construction of the 75-degree angle, the construction of the 120-degree angle, and also a perpendicular from O. So we'll be starting the video now. We thank you for joining us. Welcome to CAD with Mr. Hew. In today's video, we're looking at the construction of the 75-degree angle. Now, in the previous video, we looked at the construction of the cycloid. And we aim to become your favorite AutoCAD resource online. And we thank you for joining us. We'll be starting the video. Welcome back to the channel. We'll be constructing the 75-degree angle at B. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to draw a line that is 70 millimeters long. So we go 70, enter. All right. Now we're going to shift it over a bit. All right. We're going to label the line AB. So we're going to go single line text. Going to turn off snap. So the height would be 4 millimeters, 0-degree rotational angle. And this would be and this would be B. All right, so what we're going to do, we're going to construct a 75-degree angle at B, okay? So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to draw a line to the right of B. So we're going to go line, we're going to turn on object snap, and this line can be any measurement. You're going to make it 25 millimeters. Enter. The next thing we're going to do, we're going to draw a semicircle at B. So we're going to go center. The radius would be 15 millimeters. I'm going to come around. Where the semicircle intersect the line AB and this construction line, I'm going to mark two more arcs. So we're going to go center. The radius will be 15 because that's what we started with. We're going to go again. Center, start, end. Intersection. Radius will be 15. Mark an arc. We're going to mark two more arcs where those two arcs intersect the semicircle that we drew in step 1. We're going to go center. The radius would be the same, 15. We're going to go again. Center, start, end. The center would be here. The radius would be 15. We mark an arc. Where the two arcs intersect, you join it to B, and that is a 90 degree. All right, enter. Now in technical drawing, we normally show this line going beyond there, beyond the intersection. All right, so we need a 75-degree angle, okay? What we're gonna do, we're gonna construct a 60 degree, right? So the 60 degrees already here, but I'm going to show it again nevertheless. All right, so we're going to go arc, center, start, end. So center at B, radius 20. I'm going to mark an arc. All right, we're going to, from 1, I'm going to label this point. Single line text. I'm going to turn, or single line text. I'm going to label this point 1. So from 1, I'm going to scribe an arc to intersect this arc with the same radius that I use. So I use radius 20. So I'm going to go center, radius 20. We're going to mark an arc. All right. Then we're going to draw a line from B going through the intersection. So let me label this point 2. I'm going to turn off object snap. So let me label this point right here, 2. All right. So we're going to draw a line from B. I'm going to draw a line from B. I'm going to turn on object snap to the intersection here, enter. Right? What we're going to do is extend the line. So we're going to draw a construction line here, enter. Then we're going to type the word extend. Shortcut is EX. So we click this line, click that line. Okay, there it is, enter. What we're going to do, we're going to delete this line. We don't need it again. All right, good. Now, the length of this line is 60 millimeters. So what we're going to do, we're going to draw an arc. This is how it would show it. Would compass at the intersection here. This radius will be 60. And we just mark the arc. All right, so where the arc intersect the line that was drawn, that would be the length of the line. So what we want is a 75-degree angle here. So we have this 60 here, so let us put the angle here. So this angle to this angle, there it is, that's 60. All right, let's put it right there. All right, that's 60. So when you subtract 60 from 90, you get 30. So this angle is 30. So when you bisect between the 90 and the 60 degree, you'll get 15 degrees. 15 plus 60 is 75. So we're going to bisect the angle. So we're going to go center, start, end. Center is there. We're going to use a radius of 25 millimeter. I'm going to mark an R. There's the R. Where the arc intersect the 90 degree and the 60 degree, we're going to mark two arcs. So center. This radius will be 25. We're going to come again. Center, start, end. Intersection would be here. We're going to mark an arc 25. Right, where the arc intersect, this angle would be 75 degrees. So we draw a line from the intersection here. We join it to B, enter. All right, so this angle would be 75 degrees. Let me indicate the angle for you. So here it is. This angle, there it is, 75. So our construction was correct. What we're going to do, we're going to extend this line, right? So we're going to type EX, so the shortcut for extend. And when we click this, right, this will be point C. So let me label single line text. This point is C. All right. And this is how you would construct a 75-degree angle. Okay. What we're going to do, we're going to put the line BC and the line AB on the outline layer so we can see the dark line. All right, so there's our 75-degree angle. So good job if you got it correct. What we're gonna do now, we're gonna construct the 120 degrees along the line BC to give you D, to give us D, okay? So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to arc, center, start, end. And the radius would be 15 millimeters. I'm gonna mark an arc. All right, so mark an arc this way. What we're gonna do now, we're gonna mark another arc. So we're gonna go center, start, end. We're gonna mark an arc from this intersection. This radius would be 15. We'll mark the arc here, right? We're gonna mark another arc again. So we're gonna mark an arc. Center, start, end at this intersection. And this radius would be 15 because that's the radius that we started. All right. So from C, a line drawn through this intersection would be the 120 degrees that we need. Enter. What we're going to do, we're going to draw a construction line out here. Enter. And then when we type extend, EX shortcut, when we click on it, the line is extended here. Enter. So we can delete this construction line. All right. We're going to put this point up here would be D. Now the length of this line is 65 millimeters. So what we're going to do, we're going to come here. We're going to go start, center, end. The end point there. This arc could be 65 degrees. All right. So this point would be D. So we go single line text. This point, we're going to turn off object snap. This point is D. All right. Let us trim the line. Let us trim the line. So we go trim, enter. All right. So this line, I'm going to put it on the outline layer. Right. All right. What we're going to do now, we're going to draw the Escribed circle, which is a circle that will touch a line AB, BC, and CD. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to bisect the angle. All right, so we're going to bisect the angle ABC first. So we're going to go arc, start, center, end. So we're going to turn on object snap. This radius, we're going to make it 25 millimeters. All right. Where is arc intersect the line AB, we're going to mark another arc. So center, start, end. We're going to mark an arc 25 millimeters. We're going to mark another arc. Center, start, end. From this intersection, radius 25 millimeters. Where the two arcs intersect, that line is a bisector. So from this intersection here, the line drawn to B, that's the bisector. All right. What I'm going to do, I'm going to draw a random line here so that we can extend the bisector. So we're going to type extend. And when we click on it, right, that's our bisector. We're going to bisect the angle BCD also. So we're going to go center, start, end. This would be the center. The radius, we're going to make it 25 millimeters also. Right? Where the bisector intersect this line, CD, so we're gonna mark an arc, start center end from this intersection. And we're going to mark an arc 25 millimeters. From this intersection, we're gonna mark an arc, center, start, end. Radius will be 25. Where the two arcs intersect, which is right here, we're going to draw a line from that point to C. So we're going to go line from this intersection to C. Enter. We're going to use the extend command. So we're going to type extend. I'm going to extend the, all right, good. Enter. All right, so let's center the drawing. What we're going to do now, we're going to delete this construction line, right? This, where these two bisectors intersect, that's the center for the Escribed circle. So we're going to label this point O. Right here, we're going to label this, we're going to turn off object snap. We're going to label this point O. 4 millimeters height, 0-degree rotational angle, this would be O. All right. What we're going to do now, that's the center. We need to show how we would get the radius. So what we're going to do, we're going to drop a perpendicular. All right. So center start in the center. We need to turn on object snap. The center would be here. We're going to mark an arc, radius 50 millimeters. I'm going to come down like that. All right. Where this arc intersect the line AB, we're going to mark two arcs from there. Okay. So arc center start and from this intersection, we're going to mark an arc 50 millimeters. All right, we're going to do the same thing from B. So we go arc, start, center, end from, not B, from this intersection. We're going to mark an arc which is 50 millimeters, enter. Right, the line from this intersection to O, that would be the perpendicular, right? So we'll come here, draw a line from O to this point. This will be the perpendicular. And as I said early on, in technical drawing, you normally extend the bisector a little bit beyond the intersecting arcs, okay? All right. So now we can draw our Escribed circle. So center at O, radius at this point. This is a Escribed circle. So we're gonna put it on the outline layer, right? And if this is our Escribed circle, so we can actually label it. So we can go single line text, start here, 6 millimeter height, and we can label it to construct an Escribed circle. Okay, So what we can do now, we can put on the, all right, so we have the 75-degree angle. There's ascribed circle. All right. All right, what we're gonna do now, we're gonna draw a line to indicate the angle for BCD. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna draw, we can measure it and put it on the outside. So we're gonna go angle, this angle, this angle, see? And we can put it on the outside. So there it is right here, that's 60. All right, we're gonna go to dim style. So we're gonna type in dim STY, and we're gonna go to modify. We're gonna change this, make sure that you're on the tab, the fit tab. Gonna change this to 2. Gonna press OK, press close, and there's the 60 and the 75. They are much bigger now, right? The next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna put on the length for the line, right? So this line, A to B, was 70. All right, so let's pick up the point. So align from this intersection to this intersection. Right, there it is. Let's move the drawing over a bit. This measurement is 60. All right. We're going to indicate the length for the line CD. So again, we go align dimension on the annotation ribbon, which is here is the annotation. We're going to select here. All right, that's C. I'm going to go up to D. And there it is. All right. So what we have done, we have drawn our 75-degree angle or 120-degree angle. And we have indicated the dimensions for the lines A, B, C, D. Okay? So what we're gonna do, these bisectors that intersect at O, they are too long. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna use a break command to break them. Okay, so we go to the modify ribbon, we select break at a point, and the first instruction is to select the object. Press enter, and the break point, we're gonna put it right here. Enter. All right. We're going to do the same thing again. We're going to select this object, press enter, and the breakpoint, you're going to put it right here. Enter. So when we click on the line, you see that that's a different part of a line. Yes. So we can click on it and press delete. You can click on this and press delete. And now it is resembling what we want based on the given question. All right. So good job if you got it correct. We have come to the end of today's video. In today's video, we looked at the construction of the ascribed circle to the angle drawing which was given, which is shown in blue. In the next video, we'll be looking at the construction of polygons given specific conditions. We look forward to seeing you in the next video, and at CAD with you, we hope to become your favorite AutoCAD resource online, and we thank you for joining us. We look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.